Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been looking for an easy way to record your screen, edit videos, or create tutorials and presentations, Wondershare DemoCreator is one of the best tools out there. And the good news is, you don't have to pay full price. I've got fresh coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 that will save you money right now. Stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest discount. Wondershare DemoCreator is an all-in-one screen recorder and video editor designed for creators, gamers, teachers, and professionals. You can capture your screen, record your webcam, add effects, and edit everything in one simple platform. Whether you're making YouTube tutorials, online courses, or demo videos, DemoCreator makes it quick and easy. And with these codes, you'll get it at the lowest price available. Here are the codes you can try. Demo 30 off. Save up to 30% off any DemoCreator plan. Create 2025, extra 20% off annual subscriptions. WS10 save, flat 10% off for new users. Edit 25. Now get 25% off lifetime licenses. Free month DC. Enjoy 1 month free on selected paid plans. Simply click the special link in the description, choose your plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch the price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum savings, try another. One of these will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. These deals are limited, and DemoCreator is perfect if you're serious about content creation. Hit the link in the description, grab your discount, and start creating amazing videos today. If this video helped you save money, drop a like, subscribe for more discount codes and software tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of videos you'll make with DemoCreator. See you in the next one.